have you done any sort of like Facebook marketing that hasn't really connected with the people that you thought it would? Like, is there a particular area that people maybe don't respond to on Facebook, do you think? Or do you think that it's more how it's set up and getting your message across?
As in like a specific industry that it might not work for?
Yeah.
Well, business to business like you, it's that's probably one of the hardest ones to get across, and I'm in that category as well, because people don't necessarily go to Facebook to learn about, to think about their business, because it's social. They want to look at their friends and their family. They want to maybe join a group and talk about things that they're interested in and learn something new. So it can be difficult for business to business. That being said, it's not impossible, but the lead time takes a lot longer than, say, a cafe. They can go, hey, we've got these cute little biscuits, come and have a look at these. That's a lot easier. Or a fitness gym can just be like, hey, we're doing some fun classes, come and join us. So the lead line for business to business is a lot longer, and trying to make, I'm just talking about my own content, trying to make what I talk about fun and interesting. Like, it's hard work. Like, you have to be, we can't just say, hey, I run Facebook ads, come and see what I'm all about. I have to do tip videos. I have to try and look a little bit fun. So the basic framework that I always teach is be fun, be an expert, be consistent. So you need to swap and change what you post on your Facebook page and what you advertise. Like, you need to have some fun posts so you guys can, behind the scenes doing some cleaning, that could be a funnish kind of post, or something funny happened behind the scenes. And an expert post would be, how you've talked about some disinfectants kill certain germs and others don't. Like, that would be a way of showing your expertise. And so mixing and matching between those two and remaining consistent is really the secret behind business to business, service-based types of businesses, and then using that kind of content and putting money behind it to show more people. But you can't just run one ad and expect it to like give a return straight away, because they might see you on Facebook, then they might visit your website, or if they've joined your mailing list, they might get a newsletter. So it might not just be one thing that they see from your business that actually gets them to inquire for service-based businesses. It's likely to be multiple touch points. Does that make sense?
I think it's like 5 to 7 touch points, something like that, before they even contact you. So
it's frustrating, and it's getting longer and longer because it's getting busier and busier.
And there's so much on there as well. That's a good point.
So you probably didn't do anything wrong, but maybe you gave up too early.